That's a long line, man. Hi, David. Man, it's so difficult. Well, I just started. So till midnight maybe, you know, 1 hour and 15 minutes, maybe longer. Unlock tracked object. Starting to wonder if I have to pass the tracker type also to. I really don't want to, seriously. Unlock tracked object. There was someone last who said that they didn't want me to play music, but they're not here now, I think. Do you like me to play some music? The background? Dear David. I think I rather. You don't? Okay, well, I won't. Yeah, you can hear me typing, right? You cannot hear me thinking, though. It's probably just not possible to use. Can I back up? I don't think it's possible to use threadsafe tracked object also for memory region owner, unless maybe. Oh, gone. It's the first time I see you, I think. Maybe I should make the memory region owner not a base class of, at the very least, a locked graph. Now rename to lock memory region owner. Does anyone see a public? Yeah, there it is. So that is indeed, now it's a base class of locked graph, but that totally collides with the fact that that this is also locked. So now this is locked. You cannot derive locked from a locked, apparently. It is distracting, all those balloon icons. I'm very easily distracted. The question is there a possibility to make this maybe a member instead of a base class? Or I have a bloody disambiguate tracker member here, as well as no, disambiguate the tracker member function. Yeah, and this is disambiguate the tracker member variable. And maybe this will just work then if I use another using for the tracker type. Seriously, I just know the tracker types, like literally here. Just why would I do it? So I'll also disambiguate the tracker type, because now you also have a tracker type inside that. Don't want that, so maybe that helps. A member function void cppgraphviz memory region to owner inform owner const cppgraphviz memory region reference, aka cppgraphviz memory region const reference, with a node pointer. We have the following problem. Error using std underscore underscore what let's share pointer access. Why am I exposed to that name? Threadsafe ObjectTracker, threadsafe unlocked tracked object, blah 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 blah. It's again a very long one. Element type, which is ObjectTracker unlock tracked object, so blah 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 blah. Has no member named tracked object. Oh, well, that's just, let's say, normal. Because I switched from utils to threadsafe. So the tracked object here normally just returns the object that we're tracking. But that's in utils. So that's the utils object tracker. Oops, that was the old code. There is no tracked object in threadsafe. Instead, okay, what was it saying? This is an object tracker. Oh, this is actually, it's actually correct. It's like a wild guess. But yes, I did mean that. Unless I meant the what one. But that's how we do it. That's how we do it. Oh, what's the melody? Not convincing. I'm not using the thread. Maybe this isn't a good example. Auto. Many shekel. Difference, yeah, well, if you use the ifdef thing, so that's called guard macros, then the file is just included. but then you get if not defined, blah blah blah. So the second time you include it, it's going to say, well, it is defined, and then it reads the whole header file and skips it till the end if. So the result is more or less that you don't include it. And if you use a pragma once, then I think that if the compiler encounters a pragma once, then it marks the file that pragma once is in as being processed. So the next time you do an include of that file, then it doesn't do the include at all. So it doesn't reread the file. So then the include itself is it becomes well, a void. So the main difference there is that if you have a guard macro that only protects a part of the file, or you need a guard macro that only protects a part of the file and not the whole file, then you cannot use a pragma once, because that just disables the complete file. Where was the error? Okay, so we want to call on memory region usage on the tracked object. On memory region usage is not const, so we need write access. Well, that should work, and I hate this braces when there's only one line. And we have the same problem again here. Memory region owner is a reference to a tracked object, and then that is being used by casting it to a derived class, I guess. And then we call initialize on elements on that, which is also not const. Therefore we need write access. Well, it's primitive anyway, but okay. So we could do auto. Let me just take our W for the write access. And then we get a write access type. And then we have to cast it. I guess it's safe to make a reference in the same scope as where I have this access type. Because if then the access type is destroyed, then the reference was also already out of scope. So we can leave this, but we have to dereference, of course, the accessor, the access type. To get a reference, which we then can static cast to the derived class. Keep the log while calling this. in function undefined reference. Okay, so it compiled, but we have an undefined reference to destructor undefined reference to something else. It's very big, and again the constructor destructor, and again the destructor. Yep, I wrote a comment, I think, about this one. Constructor of tracked object. Tracked object, tracked object, tracked object. Why tracked object? That's very annoying. Tracked object is a base class of the memory region owner, I guess. It's all memory region owner.cxx. Suspicious. Why would I have undefined references to tracked objects? In this .cxx file? Because it is derived from tracked objects. Where's my comment? I have a comment somewhere and it says undefined reference, right? Nope. Well, I have it, but not here. Undefined. Dude. Reference. ObjectTracker. It should be here. Incomplete. It's a different one. This is the node that I meant. If you run into the compiler incomplete log node during. Okay, so it's not related to that comment. How the hell am I going to find out what this is? Because it doesn't ring a bell. That's weird. That's how it's released. Okay, so anyone has an idea here what this could be? Oh, I think I know what it is. Yeah, I know it. Oh, unbelievable. I should have a comment about that somewhere. ObjectTracker .inline.h. Hello, wake up. It doesn't exist, but the idea is the same. I just have to add threadsafe. Threadsafe. Good. Well, it compiled. That doesn't mean it works, of course. Let me think. Let's try if it even runs. Oops. No. Clause member test. It doesn't. Invalid argument. Okay, David, are you still there? Who is still there? Am unlocked. I guess you're trying to unlock a mutex that is not initialized or already locked. Not initialized seems most logical. Where can I see that? inside here, down. Print this. Mutex. Let's print the contents of my mutex. Oh yeah, that looks like totally undefined shit. Now why would that happen? Nope. The current object is an access object to access an unlocked base of a locked memory region owner. It doesn't have anything else than an M unlocked. Well, that's why it is an access object, I guess. So this is the unlocked, which should be a pointer to what that was wrapping here. So the first template argument, yes, it's an unlocked base. This unlocked base is protecting a locked memory region owner using that mutex. Let's dissect this one. Unlocked base is derived from const unlocked base. Which then is the same template argument. The const unlocked base is the member. Well, it's derived from, I should say, the policy type, which is that one. No, not really. This one. It's derived from this one. It's called a reference, but it just contains a pointer. A pointer to the mutex. Well, pointer to this object, which contains a mutex, and I don't know. Then eventually have a base which points to, I think, this one then. And then a ref pointer. Now that's interesting. That is interesting. It is at the very least very confusing what we have here, because I believe that this is a mutex and this is also. I have two mutexes. Yep, right. That can't work, can it? And it doesn't work, so. Let me see if I can get access to that one. That one is pointing to something that is not defined, or not defined anymore. That's the one we were trying to use. I want to know what the base is pointing to. That's just mbase, I think. So not memory region owner. As it should be. And finally, we have our second mutex. Oh, no, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, that's a good thing. I was confused. This is a reference counter, which would never have ever be have that value, but it's not a. Why the hell does it have that value? Looks very uninitialized to me as well. David, you're back. I asked if you were still there and you didn't say anything. Joe, you left and then you came back? Well, I have no clue what's going on here, so we'll just keep staring at it for an hour and then probably at some point I see it. Okay, no problem, man. I was just wondering. Oh, where's the water? I drank all my water, so there's no water left. I'm gonna get some water. Be right back. Empty. Empty jug. There we are. Okay. I don't really feel like solving this. I want back to my Vulkan engine. This is just taking insanely too long. There was never the intention to waste so much time on this. It's not fun anymore. It is no fun anymore. Why is it not just working? Okay, let's find out whether this pointer is being created, and then maybe debug that, debug the creation itself. So again, this pointer is an access const, which is being constructed because I'm returning a read access type. We're doing a const cast here. Oh yeah, okay, that's const cast is okay. Yeah, not the whole point is of course that you didn't drink it because you wanted to drink water because I said so or something like that. I hope you drank a lot of water because it was standing there, the bottle. That's the idea. That you're completely subconscious. You don't have to think about it. At some point your hand just grabs a bottle while you're thinking about your program and you drink something. I'm definitely too lazy to walk to the kitchen. But if I put it next to me, then it works. Definitely, then it works. Then I just drink. No, if you drink room temperature water, you will drink more. Absolutely. Cold water is not that nice to drink a lot of. I don't even know how to begin to debug this, really. No bloody debug output. It's not even useful. This is printing a weak pointer to a tracker. So which one is it? Oops. Could be the owner. Definitely the owner. Register new memory region 4. And now we have a weak pointer to an owner. Which is the tracker here. Yeah, let's just not do that then. I don't know. Debug output. Don't want to debug output at this point. Let's just do .log .get. Still here, same place, undefined stuff, same line. Even still in debug output. What? Okay, it's a different one, but still. Print on with indentation. Okay, so we cannot do that anymore then at the moment anyway. Yeah, I just removed it here and then I still print it there, apparently. We can't print it. Maybe you can't print it, I don't know. I want to see something fail that is not debug output. No, what is going on? It looks like a deadlock because it's hanging. Yep. Hit for threads. It's only one thread. Right. Could it be a self of a recursive lock on a normal mutex? I have 3 monitors here. So it looks not initialized. This is bullshit. This also looks like bullshit. The owner is even bullshit, I think. So it's still, yeah, so lots of 5s, which are just pointers. Part of a pointer. So it's undefined, it hangs, but it's actually still an undefined mutex. Still happening in this line. After a red, when printing stuff, seriously. Stop printing stuff. Suddenly get sick of printing this stuff while there's nothing to print, apparently. Owner died. And again debug output. Okay, finally got stuck somewhere. Oh no, wait, it's still a what? Up. Yeah, okay, we get stuck somewhere, but it's just the same bug, of course, but we get now stuck somewhere that's not debug output, which makes me a little bit more motivated to actually debug it. completely insane. That's all it is. Okay. Yeah. And it's a nice dream. Sorry. No, if you have enough money, it's no problem. I used to spend up to 5,000, I think, for a PC. It's crazy. I did that once at least. Just wanted to have the best. Monitors are cheap, basically, compared to the price of the PC itself. I have enough monitor arms for 6 monitors. So I have three poles, vertical poles, and then on each pole you can connect 2 arms. So then you have in total 6 monitors. But there's 2 problems with it. One, I'm not super happy with the amount of electricity that it uses if I always have 6 monitors on. And secondly, I don't think I can connect it to a single video card. So then it's not that easy to move windows around and stuff like that. So it's just not, I don't know. I would probably add more monitors if it wasn't for the electricity, but 3 is doable. I wouldn't be able to use less though. Well, I definitely could use them. Certainly if I want to, say, keep an eye on stock market as well, besides programming. Or I used to play in Second Life, and then I would be programming, and I want to be in world as well. I just need a monitor per application, sorry. I have a monitor for Chromium, for the browser. And this monitor you can see. I just use full screen console. And then the third monitor is for chat and OBS. So every time OBS is on, I don't see anything. It's kind of ridiculous. Maybe I should minimize OBS. There. I hope it still works. Am I still streaming? Yeah. So I can minimize it. So there's a Discord on it, and Telegram, and IRC. And I have loads of other things that I would like to put on it. Elements and qtogs. I don't have space for 6 chat applications on a single monitor. I don't like to use notifications, so they are turned off in most cases, resulting in me not being alerted when someone says something, but well, that happens the whole day long. So it's probably a good thing that I only see chat when I look at it. Yeah, my music is here. Yeah, I use also 3 monitors for the music actually. It's just a lot of windows, you know, if you really want to do stuff. I could put this on here. And this doesn't have to be open, I can close it. I'm gonna put on some music, just for myself. Yeah, good bass. Don't hear anything though. Yeah. Ah, this is good, man. Unfortunately, I'm pretty sure it's not copyright free. So hopefully I'm not banned for those few seconds. But admit, that is good music. It's really one of the things that suck most of YouTube, I think, that you are not allowed to play music. Well, only stupid music that is copyright free. It's not the best music. They should make a different rule, like if you have less than 10 viewers in a live and you do not keep the live, so just throw the live away, it's just purely during the live session itself, with less than 10 viewers, whatever, then let me play whatever I want. It's just silly to want to have money for it. That's what I definitely did like about Second Life. I would go to, you know, discos. Everyone listening to the same music. Well, often people don't do that, but if they do, that's good. You have really a shared experience then. You could really make those club scenes, you know, underground, a bit foggy. And then you walk around there with your avatar, see other people, and then you have this music on. Ah, yeah, I love that. It's like totally real. I don't know what to do with this thing, man. So if I concentrate on it, I cannot concentrate on the chat. It's one or the other. Plus, I don't know what to do anyway. It just plain sucks. That's what it does. I think I better look at this off stream. Not sure what to do. Okay, so let me do one more attempt. Yeah, close that top. So I'm creating an array with 3 A's. The A's are being constructed one by one. So all 3 are being constructed and put in an initializer list. And then that initializer list, which is this thing here, is being passed to the graphviz array. which by the way is after, so this frame here, frame 23, it's after constructing that base class. It comes first, and then we do this, and that's the array memory region owner, and that's where everything goes wrong. So this should have registered the memory used by this array. And yeah. Then we call this constructor here, which then copies every element one by one from the initialize list using some folding expression stuff maybe, or what is it? It's not a folding expression. Nah. Just a var template thing, I don't know the word for it. How do you call that when you have a template with a dot 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 in it? In the end, however, that results in copying one element after another, all three, one by one. And then when we are copying the first one, which you can see here, it's a 0, index 0. That results in first copying the base class of A. It's a label node, which results in copying the base class of label node, which is a node. A node is just a type def for an unlocked tracked object of log node. So then we call this constructor here, constructor of that unlocked. And that unlocked is then derived from that, so we start the first base class even, I think. No, that's not true. This is the first base class. So then the policy mutex is being constructed, and then we construct log node. And at the moment you do that, we already have one mutex. We have it. So it should only have one mutex, but okay. And this mutex should also be initialized, because we just constructed it. Then the locked node itself is moved, copied, I mean. This is a copy constructor still, as you can see. Yeah, and log node is derived from item template. Oh, that's interesting. Oh. No, not really. Sorry. Thought it was interesting, but let's have a look at frame 14 though. It's just item template. So calling the copy constructor of log node then results in calling the whatever this is. Let's call it also a copy constructor. No, it's not. I don't know what this is. But a constructor of the base class item template, which is derived from item, by the way. So that then results in calling the copy constructor of item. It being an item and stuff. So now we are on frame 12. And here it discovers that this new item is being put in a memory region, namely the memory region of the array. So it calls inform owner of. So now it's going to tell the array that we being the object here, have been put in the array. And that does a few stuff like calling another inform owner of, and then finally the actual or the final owner, inform owner. Which then calls on memory region usage. No, we don't. We're getting stuck here. We want to do that. But in order to, before we can call that, now we have to take a write log here on whatever this is pointing to. Frame 9. So this memory region to owner object has a memory region owner tracker, and we log that. It's a weak pointer. We convert it to a shared pointer, and then we try to take a look on a mutex that is not initialized. What about I run it in Valgrind? Maybe it tells me something. I don't know. Let's try that. Okay, we begin, we do our stuff, and then the first error here is here, invalid argument. What? Oh, that's disappointing. That is highly disappointing. Valgrind is not telling me anything. Normally it says you try to access some uninitialized memory. This is not telling me anything. It's just the same catch. The same exception. Yeah, I don't see it. I think I'll try to work on it off stream tomorrow. Because I feel it's so boring. I need to stare like I just need to stare at the monitor in silence for long times. It's not stream worthy. I don't have cool tech, I'm afraid. Well, I was building my own drone years ago, and then stopped halfway. So the thing never flew. I never even put it together completely. I spent thousands of euros, I think, on stuff like that. So just buy something and then never finish it. I also have a headset. That was also, of course, the most expensive thing that was someone could buy, a Wolf Index. And I used it twice maybe, and then I was dissatisfied with it, and I put it in a box because it didn't work very well on Windows. It's ridiculous. I should be playing 3D games with my headset instead of doing this. Yeah, probably. I'm getting tired again of this. I'm a bit, what is it called? Yeah, depressed basically. Nothing works. Let me play a game of chess again. Light chess. My rating is a little bit higher because I play more chess these days while not streaming. So yeah, I'm back at 1979. I was almost 1900. B, because I play off stream. So yeah, it's playing while streaming is not my strongest thing, it seems. It would be nice to have for once a good game while streaming, instead of doing all kinds of stupid things. What is this guy doing? He's playing as if I played a dragon and I'm not. So can I punch that? Of course I want to play this pawn. Take. It's already 3 against 3, so I can push, right? Push, take. Yeah. Don't see a problem there. The push right now. Well, he's going to take, and then I don't want to give away my bishop pair, so I'll take back with the knight, right? Now he could play the bishop here, but I can just take there. Maybe no. Maybe I should have developed my knight first. It doesn't really good. Does not really look good. Now I can take with the queen, and then he puts a bishop for sure there. Then I take here, and he takes, and then I don't know. I don't like that. So let's take with the bishop. Doesn't feel very good for me. I'm like way behind in development. And now he's stealing my castling, except that I can give check and steal the castling back. Ha 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 ha. Okay, then we can both not castle. What is the plan here? Should my knight not go here? I put our bishop there, but I still have to develop my knight, and that looks like a nice spot. Yeah, okay, then I have to take it. I admit, you forced me to exchange the bishop. Well, I guess I'll just do this. Is he going to go away? He's going to go away. Okay, that's defended. Let's develop it's a rook, this one. Now he wants to connect the rooks. You always have to connect the rooks. Let's develop this one as well, just because. Probably calculate a little bit more. Take advantage of my whatever it is that I have. Okay, let's go with this square. So I would want to push, but maybe not, maybe only after. To defend the pawn, I can go there and then I can push, because then my pawn, bishop and knight are on this square. Although I would like to have a rook behind it as well. Yeah, my king is now here. I could not put a king there, because then I could not play my... Oh, that's good. That's good that he does that, because I wanted to go here and it does kind of disrupt my pawn structure though. He wants to go here maybe? Very unclear. Maybe we should just push. With my king here, not a good idea. So maybe I'm gonna kick this knight out. Kick it out. Oh, like that. He wants to go here or something. Still. I go here, he goes here, I take that, he takes this, I take that. That should work. Or it takes here, I take here, it goes there. That's doing nothing at all. He's not even attacking anything. I think that's a good move. Now what you gonna do when they come for you? What he could do is, of course, well, he's gonna go there. I'm sure of it. And then I have to move this. I could go there or take here. If I take here, he gets his open file, but I don't know. If I go here, it's just super passive. I think I'll just take. And then now the main problem here is clearly that he pushes this pawn. And then the rook can come here and the bishop can come here and we are completely dead. And I can not do anything against it because my rook is attacked. Shit. So after this push, I guess my king is gonna end up here. And then I can put my rook back. So I want to stay on this file, I think. Let's go here. Or I can move my king here, and then I have finally all my pieces set up to push this pawn. Ugh, what is he doing? So I push, and then I have a free pawn, and he takes, I take, and then I even block this pawn thing. I'm just doing this right now, of course. He should have pushed this pawn immediately. Going to stand on my rook file. So the only way to survive this is to push this pawn now, in order not to open that file. But that's bad as well, because then I have a free pawn. Free pawn? Why? What is this? Do I get a free pawn here? Take, take, take. Totally free pawn. I do not say no against a free pawn. No. Nobody gets it. I'm +1. I can give check. We sold that 10 moves ago, yes, thank you. I want to come forward, of course. Then he cannot give check, and... oh, then he can give check there. Let's remove that from the possibilities. Can go here, defend the pawn and open this file, threatening to take this pawn with a check. What you gonna do? Or go here and take that pawn. Now I want to stay on this diagonal to stop the check here. Check, lose that one. Oh, I can put my rook in between. Maybe shoot that immediately, I'm not sure. Okay, so now I can take it with check, but it doesn't help me much. Take the other one, go here with check, take that. Then he gives check here, put that in between. Oh, I have to go, I have to do something. Damn it, I go here. 36. I want to have that pawn. That's an idiot. That's an idiot. What is he thinking? Okay, I can take that pawn now. I don't want that. I don't want to win this pawn and then lose that pawn. So let's do it like that. Yep, that doesn't help. And then we go forwards. And with my free pawn, now I can exchange the rooks. I should win this, right? Right. Let's go here. Nah, that doesn't help. Shit, what am I doing, man? Okay, there's problem. Problem. Should have gone there. Way better. Oh, he doesn't want a draw. Yeah, I should have gone there immediately. Should have put a rook there, I guess. This wasn't the best move at all. Oh, I could have run with my king there because of the check. No, I had a check and then I didn't do it. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Okay, let's slowly promote. Okay, free pawn. Let's first take it and then make a free pawn or take like this. Well, make a free pawn, of course. Oops. Oopsies. That's not good at all. Wait, this is horrible. Tuk, 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 tuk. That would work. No, did I give it away again? Really? Unfortunately, this guy is playing really bad in the end game. Otherwise, I would totally lose this. Oh, I don't know what I have to do here. Let's exchange everything and try to get a draw with 10 seconds on the clock because... Oh, I want to keep my 10 seconds. Yeah, true, true, true. I'm so losing this, it's unbelievable. I'm losing this, right? I basically already lost it. How is it possible that I lost this? Right. I'm getting sad. What did I do wrong here? Where's my analysis? Oh, here. Analysis board. Pretty sure I was very good at some point, wasn't I? White is better. The check was not good. I should have taken the pawn. Greedy. Well, pawn is a pawn. Well, it's still below an absolute value 1 all the time, most of the anyway, so not a horrible game. Yeah, I did that well, and then I didn't do that well. It's oh, now it's a +1. Oh no, it's not. Oh, now I'm really better. So this was a blunder. Yeah, he gives away a pawn. That's the whole point for me. Now I should have won. Instead I lose. So what the hell did I do? Oh, another free pawn that I just didn't take because no, I have no idea why I did not take it. But it's not that bad. Oh well, it is bad. -5 to -2. -3. Still take the pawn. Nope, I didn't. -3. Not that bad. I go there, doesn't make much difference. Now I can give check. Yeah, I see. I was very good here. And then I didn't take the pawn that it was after, for some reason. I was very stupid. I was afraid of leaving this diagonal because of this check. Well, I can just put my rook in between it. There is no threat whatsoever. Should have grabbed that pawn. Still winning though. Yeah, of course I should have given check here. Why didn't I do that? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. I offered to draw here, but he didn't want it. And then do we do it again or tries again and just run away? So okay, still -2, still winning. Not totally winning. -4, hoppa. Yeah, that's what I should have done. Just go here with check and then defend the pawn. But no. Okay, still -3. No, can defend it. Goes away. Still winning. Still winning. Still winning. Totally winning. Not the best move. Why is the other one better? Oh, I get a free pawn on the edge. Yeah, this is better. Better free pawn on the edge than a free pawn in front of his king. And now it's a draw. Well, I gave away this pawn. Oh. That was really bad. This move is so bad. This is really bad, this move. I didn't see the fork here. Just seeing, I thought, well, it's a free pawn, but it isn't. And then I managed to lose it at some point. So what should I have done here? Because I lose that pawn too? Oh no, that was a losing move, apparently. Yep, +3. Oh, it's absolutely necessary to play this pawn. Nobody knows why, but that it was absolutely necessary. How can we keep it a draw then? Like that I win this pawn with my rook. Why not just take it here? Check. And then go there. He's losing it anyway, he says. Take that one. And now we have to run. Not take it. Why give check? Cannot just run. I can run. Run more. Goes behind the pawn. Threaten to promote. Now this one starts running. Defend the pawn. Check. Go there. Nobody knows why. Oh, that's a rule. No, let's promote here. I take it. Go check again. I can go there. Nobody knows why. And then he go back. Now he has a draw. What about if I walk that way? It's gonna go here. It's still a draw. Interesting. There's a rook against a pawn is with the king all the way there. That's apparently a draw. Still a draw. Because I can give my rook away. Okay. I want to try to mate again with the queen against a rook. That was fun. Cannot click here. Open a new tab then. Board editor, clear boards. Put a queen. Put the queen. No, let's put a queen here. And then this one here. And I want to have white. Continue from here. Play with the computer. I take white. Stockfish level 8. I think I can come closer one move. I think I can. Yeah, and now, I don't know. Need some trick. And now I cannot go here. That sucks. Give check, and then maybe it goes there. I can give check again. That doesn't work at all. Maybe go there. Same thing, cannot go here. King is walking away again, walking out of the corner. So annoying. Huh? Oh, yeah, cool. Goes like that. I thought I could give check and then win the rook. The distance is not large enough. Yep, clearly I failed. Damn it. It should be possible to write a C++ program, I think, to solve this one. It's only 4 pieces. Probably can just brute force it. I'm not making any progress here. It's probably like made in 24, but I don't see it. That was a joke. I need table bases. Table bases, that's telling me how to solve this. How the hell do I get this king in the corner? Because there was, of course, go the other way. No, it's not working. Let's figure out how to make this from a position that I did get at some point. Yeah, this is almost made, and I didn't get it. It's like almost made, isn't it? So this position. How can we copy the fen here? Tools. Oh, you click on tools and you lose what you are doing. Very great. Yep. Go back again to where we were. You can flip the board. You cannot copy fen. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah, we have table bases here. Thank God. So what you have to do is this one. Is that the table base? Masters database. I don't know what that is. Top game. Queen goes there. Oops, give check. Just go there. Give check again. And go there. And go back. Check here. And now we lose box depth reached. Okay, that was not useful at all. Plus, I don't believe it. It's not possible to copy the fen. Ridiculous. That's the position, yeah. Yep. And Y to move. And when the rook in 18 moves. Mate in 28, mate in 26. I don't care about the mate. Let's go with this one. Oh yeah, of course. You have to play the queen. There or there. Let's see. Okay, that's also possible. comparable. Queen wants to go away. The queen wants to go away like mad. This is also possible. All these win the rook and 20 moves. So I can give check. Okay, I think I did this one right. Yeah. Oh, it was not the worst move then. And then they did that. And then I should have done, well, one of these three. Check again. I would have not thought of that. Go there. Could you be kidding me? Or, and it's even better, check there. Okay, I'll leave it this one. Let's try this one. I don't see the point of it, but what did I do? I give check again. Haha, and I thought I wouldn't have thought of that. Actually, very good move. I did this one. And they responded with that. And now the best move is, why is it still 20? It looks like I'm not making any progress. So I am not making any progress. I'm doing something that doesn't worsen the position, but I'm also not making any progress. You have to give check like that. Let's see what I did. What I did was go there. Oh, that's really horrible, probably. That's this one. 38. Yeah, okay. Give up. No, you should give check here. That is eventually the whole idea. And now it would be nice if it played a game. No, it's not playing games. Dude. Back to game my ass. I want to continue from here. What kind of site is this? You cannot even click on something logical like 3 things and then click on something like continue from here. And there is no analysis. Cannot even turn my own computer on here because the game is still going on. So analysis while the game is still playing. You have to resign or something. Now you can. This is so horrible. We lost it. Lost the whole position. To click on this and then no. Nothing works. Makes me sad. Nothing works. I have to do it with this one. Okay, just click on the best move for black. I have to go there or to the main diagonal, but that is again no progress. So it's really like one move only. You give check and then you attack the rook. And you can defend the rook, or the rook can be put away. Okay, let's do this one with the check, and now we have to go there. It's not bad. Take the queen. Give check. Yeah. What is with this move? Really? Queen e3. Why? Queen e3. Why? Oh, because then you can give check there, so he cannot go to g4. Yeah. Or not, because if he did, I would just take the rook anyway. Now we win the rook, so what's going on here? To have a back button, to not have a back button. Is this my back button? Oh, yes. Okay. So why would he do that? That he just loses on the spot. Okay, the king cannot move because I take the rook. And the rook goes there, I win like with a check here and check here and then take the rook. If it goes here, I can just take it. Here I can take it. There I can take it. So there's 3 squares that is possible. In this case, we just play. Yeah, we just pick it up, of course. And what's the other one? That one, we also pick it up. So we pick it up on the white squares. And here's the last one. And we also pick it up on e5. So the main reason of going to e3 is so that the rook must move, basically, and then we can, if it goes there, we can pick it up. If it goes there, we can pick it up here. If it goes there, we pick it up straight away, and if it goes there, we pick it up there. So we wanted to go to the e file, and we want to continue attacking the rook. That's this position, e3. And there are so many possibilities. Right, this move stops king f8 because he can mate like that. So he cannot run away. King cannot run that way. And you move the rook, well, that's usually bad-ish anyway. So that would be the only move then, the other way. So you cannot go to h7. I mean, what happens if you do that? Isn't even mentioned? No, it is not allowed. Yeah, this is mate, so the king can only go there, because this is covered by the queen. Or you have to move the rook. Now the king comes closer. This is a nice move. This is a nice position, I mean. And then the king could go there, and then you just give check, and then we have the well-known mate in 7. At least it should be mate in 7. I think the 13 is counting half moves. Yeah, it's now 12. Fastest way to give mate here is mate in 1, mate in 2, mate in 3, mate in 4, mate in 5, mate in 6. This is mate in 7. We made an 8 in if we go there. Okay, and if the rook moves like there, then what do we do? Also the king goes there. Way too difficult. Way too difficult. How did I manage to do this? Fuck this, man. Damn it. Oh. I did win from a 2077 player, yeah. And immediately they want me to play against a 2100. Is that even fun? Oops. Yeah. It's strange that I don't see that kind of thing. Well, that doesn't help. It just takes us rook, of course. Oh, fuck me. So bad. Question mark. Yeah, I didn't know what to do. Take the knight. No, whatever. That was also a bad move. Yeah, that was really bad. +3 point something. And he didn't take it. Unbelievable, but still good. And again he didn't take it. How long am I going to leave that pawn attacked? It's not like I can do much about it. In the meantime, it's, I don't know, only +1. And now it was a bad moment to take it, because I took the pawn, and I did. It takes the knight again. Horrible. But we can conclude one thing for sure: this guy is not cheating. I should have taken the bishop. Of course I should have taken the bishop. Why didn't I do that? It's so obvious. Just, I mean, I hope to win this pawn, but I thought, yeah, if I take it, he takes with the knight, and therefore I cannot win a pawn. But the knight is like horrible here. It cannot go there, nor there, nor there. And I have the bishop pair. And I get this square here totally to me. Of course I should take it. If only for the bishop pair. Oh, I took it. I thought I didn't. Question mark. Now I can go to my beautiful square there, which I didn't do, of course. Huge question mark. Nobody knows why I did this. And it's bad because of that pawn. But he didn't see it. So now I can still go there. Ah, double question mark. I attacked the rook from the wrong square. Why would I even go there? Yes, why would I? Goes to the side, and now my bishop is attacked, so I have to move it. And that was another, not another, that loses the knight. No, it loses the queen. Yeah. So I could have moved it there, for example, and then if he does that, I can just take it. And still I'm losing. I probably should stop playing chess altogether. Blah. Oh shit, it's way too late. I'm going to stop, and where's OBS? Going to bed.